In this video, we'll go through step by step and replace the battery in an Audi S4 key fob. This is an easy process to do. It will just take you a few minutes. All you'll need is a flathead screwdriver and a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. You'll just need one of those, and you can get these online. They're pretty cheap. If you're interested, go check out that link in the description. The first link will take you right over to Amazon, where you can find these for a good price. First step is to flip this over to the back and look down on the bottom. Right under this metal part, there is an opening in the plastic. So take your flathead screwdriver, insert it under that lip in the plastic, and pry up. And you can just remove the back piece of plastic. Inside we have our battery. Now we need something that can fit inside of that hole right there. My flathead is a little too large, so I'm just going to use this precision screwdriver, and we want to get under the battery and just pry it up, and it will come right out. At home, you could probably use a paper clip, something just that can fit in that opening and kind of catch on the side of the battery. And if you don't have something that's working for you and you wanted to get something like this, I will leave this in the description as well on Amazon, which is just the set that I personally use, and it's pretty cheap, so that'll be down there as well. But just take your battery out, grab your new replacement battery, and when you're ready to put it in, make sure the positive side is facing up, and you'll just click that into place. Positive side up. All we need to do now is click this back piece of plastic back on there. If you want to make sure the light is coming on, that means you did everything right and your battery is charged. So that's all it takes. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.